Hi, good morning, everybody. Today we will discuss our chapter number 1: what, where, how, and when. Okay, so now in this video we will start our book history, and in history we all know that the study of past, the study of ancient centuries, ancient times, ancient civilizations, and ancient kingdoms and ancient livelihood of people is known as history. Okay, so beta, the very simple meaning of history in Hindi, if I say to you, is that इतिहास के बारे में अध्ययन करना, इतिहास को पढ़ना, इतिहास कहलाता है, हिस्ट्री कहलाता है. ओके, एंड एवरीथिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड इन द एंशियंट सेंचुरीज हैज बीन रिकॉर्डेड इन द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ हिस्ट्री. ओके, so now in this video I shall discuss the NCERT text with you, and I shall explain each and every paragraph in a simple and interesting way so that you can be very much familiar with the terms used in this chapter and the content it contains in it. Okay, so now before starting this video, let me recall you that I have made approximate 3 to 4 videos earlier on this chapter, and I hope you have watched them all. And in those videos I have explained what, where, how, and when separately, and with live and ancient examples also. Okay, now let's take a small recap and revise all the terms again so that when I start the reading of this chapter, all the things came into your mind and you get familiar with this chapter. Okay, beta. So now let's start with what. Okay, like we know what is the meaning of what in Hindi. Kya? So in history, what represent is what kind of people live in the ancient centuries, what kind of civilizations they have, what kind of food they have, what kind of agriculture business they have, what kind of livelihood they have. So like what kind of civilization they pursue, what kinds of people they were, what are their thought process, and what they believe, what they have with them. Okay, so now all those things like that deals with the question of क्या, कि वहाँ पे लोग कैसे रहते थे, क्या खाते थे, क्या पीते थे, क्या करते थे, कैसे एक दूसरे से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जाते थे, like all those things. And so we will discuss in the chapter in the context of what. Okay, where in Hindi, where means kya, and in this context we will discuss about like where the battles had fought, from where the great emperors came, from where the invaders invaded India, from where the civilization emerged, from where the emerging of people life started, from where the concept of life started, from where the concept of history was started. Okay, now and in how, in the concept of how, beta, we will read about like what kind of people अर्लियर वाज एंड हाउ दे चेंज देयर लाइफ, कि भाई पहले लोग कैसे रहते थे एंड बाद में वक्त के साथ साथ उन्होंने अपनी जीवन शैली को कैसे बदला. ओके, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस इट in the concept of how, like how the people got their life changed, how the civilization changed themselves, how the administrative system in the large kingdoms and civilizations changed, how the people of the a great civilization shared their thought process, views, and culture with the other civilization people. Okay, like how the meaningful ideas to make a better living came and how they interpret their life with each other, कि भाई लोगों ने अपनी गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज को कैसे एक्सचेंज किया, अपने व्यूज थॉट्स को कहाँ से लेके आए, उनके ऊपर कैसे अमल किया, उन्होंने अपनी जीवन शैली को कैसे बदला, उन्होंने एग्रीकल्चर में क्या क्या इन्वेंशंस किए, कौन कौन सी क्रॉप्स उगाई और कैसे. ओके, सो एंड ऑल दीज इन्वेंशंस दैट द एंशिएंट पीपल मेड वी विल डिस्कस इन द कंसेप्ट ऑफ हाउ, कि उन्होंने ये सब कैसे किया. ओके, एंड बेटा इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ व्हेन वी विल डिस्कस the importance of date, place and time. Okay, now in the context of when, it simply means, if I ask you a simple question beta, when India got independence, what you will say? India got independence on 15th of August 1947. Yes, exactly. And if I ask you a question, when did the Constitution of India was adopted? You will say on 26th January 1950. That's right. So if I am asking you a question on the base of when, then what the answer is coming out? The answer is coming out of a date with an year. Okay, so now in the concept of history also beta, when is really important to describe the actual happening of the incident that happened in past or in history. They tell us about with an example of a date and place, as they are considered the proof कि भाई उस समय पे बेटा neither you were present there nor I was present there. So what's the meaning is that now we are studying history is just with the help of dates and place. कि भाई अगर आज हम इतिहास को पढ़ रहे हैं तो इतिहास के उन सबूतों का साक्षी कौन है? वो तारीख हैं और वो जगह है जहाँ पे वो इंसिडेंट्स, वो सिविलाइजेशंस हुई थी. ओके, सो नाउ this is all about the meaning of the title of this chapter. What we will study कि भाई क्या हुआ था, where कहाँ हुआ था, how कैसे हुआ था, when कब हुआ था. Okay, so now the title of the chapter I am sure is very much clear to you. Now let's start our chapter beta. Rashida's question. And yes, before starting this chapter, let me take an advice, or I shall give you a suggestion with you. Take pen or pencil with you, and while watching the video, when I am saying that this is an important fact or this is an important term, you will note it down in your notebook at that period of time only. Okay beta. And now in this concept of a history, in the book of history, what is there that in each chapter there is a boy and there is a girl, and both the boy and girl represent a story, and जो स्टोरी रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे बेटा वही हमारे चैप्टर की थीम होगी, वही हमारे चैप्टर का प्लॉट भी होगा. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. ओके, सो Rashida sat reading the newspaper. Suddenly, her eyes fell on a small headline. 100 years ago. How she wondered, could anyone know that what had happened so many years ago? Okay, one day she was sitting and reading the newspaper, but suddenly in the newspaper her eyes fall on a small headline. And what was the headline beta? The headline was 100 years ago. And now 100 years ago ki bhai 100 साल पहले. If I ask you that a complete century consists of how many years? Yes, can you imagine? Yes, one complete century means a complete set of 100 years. बेटा 100 साल के पूरे एक सेट को एक सेंचुरी कहा जाता है. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, this is 21st century going on. Okay, which century is going on? 21st century is going on. Okay, and it will end after 200 years, like when from 2001 to 2099. Okay, when 2100 series will start beta, like 2101 2101 से जब स्टार्ट हो जाएगा साल, तब हमारी 22nd सेंचुरी आ जाएगी. ओके, एंड व्हेन ऑल दी 100 years will complete, next century will start. Okay, so now Rashida thought कि ये हम कैसे पता लगा सकते हैं कि 100 साल पहले क्या हुआ होगा. लाइक इन 20th century व्हाट हैड हैपेंड. ओके, कि भाई 100 साल पहले लोगों का जीवन कैसा होगा, 100 साल पहले लोग कैसे रह रहे होंगे, क्या बाजार होगा, क्या वस्तुएं होंगी, क्या सर्विसेज होंगी, क्या एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम रहा होगा। सो उस समय पे कौन बता सकता है कि 100 साल पहले क्या हुआ होगा। अब उसके माइंड में जो क्वेश्चन आया था, द क्वेश्चन वाज रियली आई कैन से रियली ब्यूटीफुल एंड रियली फ्रूटफुल क्वेश्चन सी टू। ओके, नाउ लेट्स फाइंड आउट दिस आंसर इन दिस चैप्टर। Finding out what had happened yesterday, you could listen to the radio, watch television, read a newspaper. Now, what the meaning of yesterday is बीता हुआ कल। अब बेटा अब now see what you had done yesterday। आपने रेडियो सुना होगा, आपने टीवी देखा होगा, आपने न्यूज़पेपर रीड किया होगा, कल आपने सोशल साइंस की जो